Are you tired of feeling like you need makeup to feel confident? Well, guess what? You don't have to rely on layers of foundation or fancy makeup tricks anymore. I've got some jaw dropping tips that will unleash your natural beauty and boost your confidence to the sky. To be honest, I just woke up a little while ago and thought, why not shoot as I look in real life? After some hot lemon water, I'm here with a cup of tea. Now you might notice a bit of morning puffiness on my face, which is pretty common for all of us. You might notice how lifeless my skin looks right now, and my lips are chapped and dry. So let's address these issues and discover the magic of feeling amazing without makeup. I grabbed an ice pack from my freezer. I'm wrapping it in a soft handkerchief and delicately pressing it against my face. A quick tip: never apply ice directly to your skin to prevent frostbite. Always use a cloth as a barrier. This tip not only jolts you awake but also performs magic in tightening those pores, leaving your skin with a smoother appearance. Icing reduces inflammation, boosts circulation, and relieves tension. I noticed that my eyebrows were a bit uneven, so I'm going to start by setting them with a tweezer. There are some unwanted small hairs that need to go. After that, I'll use a pair of scissors to trim the uneven hairs and get them back in shape. Now I'm perfectly setting my brows with a simple brush. After fixing my eyebrows, I noticed some unwanted facial hair on my upper lips. I'll be removing them by threading for a clean and smooth look. I'm going to apply some toner to calm the area after threading. For this, I'm using the Herbal Essentials Refreshing Toner, applying it with a cotton pad for a soothing effect. I'm tapping the area with my finger to help the skin absorb the toner. Moving on, I'll cleanse my face thoroughly using a mild cleanser. I personally love my favorite Pixie Mud Cleanser. You can use your trusty cleanser for cleansing your face. I'm applying and massaging in circular motion for a few seconds and then wash with fresh water. I'm in the mood for a deep cleanse today, so I'm reaching for another favorite of mine, the Murad Vitamin C Exfoliator. It's wonderfully mild and creamy. I'm taking a small amount. I rub it between my palms before applying it. Remember, while cleansing, make sure to give your face a good massage to eliminate toxins and impurities, focusing especially around your nose and chin. And don't forget to include your hands in the massage, paying attention to the areas around your nails. Allow it to sit for a minute and then wash it off. Let's check how my skin is looking after this refreshing exfoliation. Let's not overlook our lips. I'm using a lip scrub from Ilana to gently exfoliate my lips and bid farewell to those pesky dead skin cells. If you don't have a lip scrub on hand, you can whip up your own by mixing honey with coffee powder and sugar. Alternatively, grab a toothbrush and lightly brush your lips for a quick DIY exfoliation. After the exfoliation, I am giving my skin a refreshing boost by spraying some chilled hydrating mist from Pixie Beauty. It's crucial to shrink those pores that may have opened up during the exfoliation process. Now I am going to take a quick shower and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm back and I must say it feels incredibly fresh. Choosing the right outfit also makes a big difference. I opted for a comfy white cloth that gives a refreshing appearance. Now let's discuss the crucial step of moisturizing your face. I swear by the Clinique Moisture Surge Auto Replenishing Hydrator. It's incredibly lightweight yet hydrating. Always remember to follow up with sunscreen after moisturizing. Hydrating your skin instantly enhances its texture and appearance. For sunscreen, I'm using the Hemish Artless Glow Base. Taking a generous amount of the product, I'm applying it all over my face. I love this sunscreen because it instantly provides a beautiful glow to your face. Taking care of my sensitive eyes is a top priority for me. That's why I rely on the Peter Thomas Roth Vital E Microbiome Eye Cream. It works wonders in reducing under eye puffiness and wrinkles, making it my go-to eye cream for my daily eye care routine. I have a little trick to my eyes look more relaxed and fresh. I take out my cool gua sha tool from the refrigerator and gently press it on my eyes and under eye areas. It gives a truly refreshing and amazing look to my eyes. To achieve plump looking lips, I rely on Color Bar Lighten Up Lip Mender. It not only gives my lips that plump appearance but also keeps them feeling soft and moisturized. Of course, as an alternative, you can always use a lip balm or lip oil. You can see how my lips are looking soft and juicy after a bit of effort. Now let's take a quick look at my hair. I washed them yesterday but they seem a bit frizzy. First I'll brush through them and then grab this organic argan oil and lavender anti-frizz serum from Love Beauty and Planet. Applying a few drops all over my hair. This serum works wonders, making my hair smooth and frizz-free. Curling your lashes makes a world of difference in opening your eyes. This step is optional. If you want, you can skip it. After curling, I apply a touch of cream to the tips of my lashes. This makes them look fuller and more awake. Accessories have a magical way of taking your look to the next level. They add that touch of elegance to your outfit that can truly transform your entire appearance. Lastly, take some body gel or lotion. Apply it to the exposed areas like hands and legs for a smoother appearance. Don't forget to apply it to your nails as well. This step adds a touch of confidence to your overall look. Get ready to enchant your signature scent. Grab your favorite perfume and spritz it on. It leaves you with a refreshing and wonderful sensation. Last but not least, I am gently squeezing my cheeks to add a natural blush. Just 4-5 gentle squeezes give your cheeks that perfect pinkish flush. Don't smile at me, but trust me, it's a fantastic hack for an instant burst of color. Now you can see the difference in my overall look. I'm ready to face anything, whether it's inside or outside, be it a conference or anything else. This routine may seem elaborate, but it takes just about 15 to 20 minutes when done daily. The beauty of it lies in its flexibility. You can customize it to your liking and omit any steps you are not particularly fond of. Some steps like threading and exfoliating are weekly ritual. Whether you are wearing makeup or not, this routine will keep you looking polished and rejuvenated. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I post new video every Monday. If you appreciate this kind of content, drop a comment to let me know. In the description box below, you will find a list of all the products I have used along with links to my social media accounts. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. Take care and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.